No cold can resist this. You must make this hot chocolate today. Let's start by adding 500 milliliters of milk to a pan. Next, add 5 tablespoons of 50% semi-sweet chocolate. Then add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well with the heat off. After dissolving, turn on the heat and add 100 g of semi-sweet chocolate. Once it melts and boils, add 200 g of heavy cream. Now mix everything well using a whisk. This, folks, is the perfect consistency for our hot chocolate. Now just remove it and serve in a cup. It's absolutely delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. Is there a better drink for cold weather? I added some cinnamon, but that's optional. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Sending you a big hug. See you next time. Thanks everyone.